guys, welcome back to another hair review. Today's video is sponsored by Megalook hair. So thank you to Megalook hair for sponsoring this video. Let's go in the box. Open up. The wig came in this bag right here. Let's talk about the goodies that we received to install the wig cap. We got some lashes, edge band, edge brush, and a clip. Now the wig is 26 inches, okay? 26 inches, and I'm excited because it's like super curly. Yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. So the wig is secure in a bag as usual, so your wig stay. Look at that lace. Oh, beautiful. Look at the lace, y'all. Look at that. Guys, look how bouncy these curls are. Oh my, they are super bouncy and I love it. But the lace is pre-cut, pre-bleach. The line, it is perfect. I'm excited because I've never worn a curl like this, so we are gonna get into it and see how we like it. Guys, this wig is gonna melt right into my skin. It's invisible lace. It's a pre-cut lace as well. Glueless to wear and go HD melting lace, okay? Look at that. And it's pre-bleach. So I absolutely love that. When I get a wig and I see that the lace is like this, then you know it's high definition, like it's beautiful, and I love that. So we are gonna go in. Also, the cap is a 3D dome breathable cap. You guys can see through the wig cap. Yes, you're seeing through it. And it comes with the 3 combs, 2 at the sides. It has the breathable cap, like I was saying. The cap is breathable. It also have the anti-slip strip and breathable, very comfortable. And the adjustable band is also anti-slip. But if you look at the wig, this is the anti-slip, so it's gonna be snug to your head. And I love when my wigs have a comb at the back, okay? Now everything is okay? It's super fast and convenient for you. I love how bouncy the curls are. It's very soft and silky. It's virgin hair, of course, no shedding. We will see, okay? But I love the bounce, high density, and the hair is super shiny so far without even install it. So I like these curls. Like I said, it's the first time I'm gonna wear this. Seems like there's no tangle, but we're gonna install it first. So let's get into it.
No more broken hearts, no more. No more broken. No more broken. No more broken hearts. Yeah. Shawty giving Esther, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you've been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. You already know what it is. Don't rush, just be still. Gotta give it to you when it fits. Surrender your will and just ride. Love yourself in the meantime. Never feed into the lies. You know your heart desires. Sure to give it a step, but she fed up. Yeah. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff. Shorty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you've been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. give it to you when it fits. Shawty giving Esther. Don't you let them down days fester. Don't you let your friends peer.
You see how those curls are bouncing back? Absolutely stunning.
When they tell you it ain't in your cards, but God aligned in the stars. You deserve a lot like a line of cars. Everything you want already yours. Yeah. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you lean it. Shawty giving us stuff, but she fed up. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip.
Alright guys, I was just playing with this wig. When I tell you the bounce is bouncing, the hair is absolutely amazing. I love it. It's super soft, super silky, and easy to install because it's a closure wig. The lace is high definition, totally HD. You can do whatever you want with this wig. You don't even have to wear it in a side part or a center part. You can go all the way back. You can just freelance. I love it, okay? I think the next time I'm gonna install this, I am going to do a freelance where I can bring some over and just freelance, you know? Yeah. Alright, so always use a big teeth comb so you keep the curls how you want them to stay, and it's just super fluffy, bouncy, silky, no tangle. When you have a wig that is super curled and you have to curl this wig for it to stay and there is no tangle, that's top tier. So I absolutely love it. It's very bouncy. Look at this. It's flowy, it's bouncy, it's beautiful. And I love the breathable cap and how secure around the back is on my head, even though it's a closure wig. So thanks to Megalook, all the details will be in the description, guys. Make sure you check it. It is beautiful, the lace, everything. I like it. I feel like the hair is given with even me with the outfit. So you guys check the description. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you think about this wig. I want to know, okay? Because I like it. And even though it's a long inch, because the curls are so bouncy, it's just given. So make sure you guys grab this wig, or you can check their website. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Have you ever wondered what would happen